Good evening and welcome to another video by Russia UK. Right, I'm going to start off by blowing my own trumpet, because as I said, I told you guys before, but here we are, and let's just go through this story that's on The Guardian, and you'll be hearing a lot about this in the next couple of days. Right, a few videos ago, I've told you guys about how facial recognition is a big failure. Uber's within the Uber system. Also, I talked about a few videos ago about how the council and Uber are colluding against drivers. Remember, I told you that before as well. And also, importantly, how I told you joining a union, you gotta do it now. It's a must. And on this story, I think it brings all of them three videos nicely wrapped together in a package. So this is, I keep telling you guys, this is the tip of the iceberg. There is a lot more to come. Right, so what is this about on the story? Right, Uber was taken to court today, but would you believe it? They didn't know about this, that they were in court. That's how ridiculous this is. But the decision was made in their absence. So this is what the court actually said. They were told to reinstate the 5 drivers who were sacked by automated process. Now, firstly, let me just clear this up, what an automated process is. This is not, I don't want everyone who's been sacked by Uber jumping in joy. This is not when Uber has sacked you by a complaint from a rider. So it's not allegations. When a rider alleges something against you, and then you are sacked. This is completely different. This is when Uber uses his automated system and makes a decision that you are going to be sacked. What they call robotic decisions. Things like facial recognition, fraudulent activities, them sort of things. So let me just make that clear. So they have been done. These drivers who are been reinstated have been done by Uber's automated process. So that's very important to understand as well. Now, the other thing is, right, these drivers were backed by the ADCU union, which I kept on about from the last video. You got to remember, there's no way you was going to be able to represent yourself here without a union. I mean, you could have done, I suppose, through a solicitor and everything, but that would have cost you an arm and a lung. And do they have that expertise? That's another thing as well. You have ADCU argued that these drivers have been wrongfully accused of fraudulent activities based on Uber's technology. They have proven that successfully. And also, Uber's ignorance, of trying to ignore or, to provide a proper evidence to say, look, this is the reason you have been sacked. They don't do that. So that was proven in court as well. So, in short, the court have said to Uber, you need to reinstate these drivers straight away. They have given them a deadline and a penalty, if they don't do what the court has told them to do, and the time length as well. But as I said to you guys before, this is just not Uber. This is the council as well who are against us. And we're going to see a lot more of these. The TfL have been told also to give the driver his badge back, his license back. So that's very good. And, let's just hope this is it. But, it's not going to be it. There'll be a lot more of these coming in the next few months. And I'll talk to you guys soon. So I thought I'd really quickly bring this story in front of you. Bye-bye now.